Ola Electric is gearing up to sell its first electric scooter for the Indian markets. The company has already started the pre-bookings for this revolutionary electric two-wheeler through its official website. The initial launch was on 15th August on the auspicious occasion of Indian Independence Day 2021. The company has registered over 1 lakh bookings in the first few days for a token amount of Rs 499. And now we are going to tell you 10 important facts about this electric scooter you should know about. The Ola electric scooter will be the first two-wheeler passenger vehicle to be introduced by the company. The Ola Future Factory is now being built in Tamil Nadu, will be the world's largest facility for e-scooters. This is where Ola Electric will produce its upcoming electric scooters. This facility, being built on 500 acres at a cost of 2,400 crores, promises to produce around 2 lakh units at full capacity every year. The Ola electric scooter is likely to be offered in two variants, named as S1 and S1 Pro, which could be additional variants and trims of the two-wheeler. The e-scooters have been launched at a super competitive price of Rs 79,999 for the S1 and 1,09,999 for S1 Pro. The Ola electric scooter could be based on the Etergo app scooter, which is powered by a swappable high energy density battery. It claims to be capable of running 240 kilometers without recharging. However, in the real world, it is likely to offer a range of around 150 kilometers on a single charge. And it is being said that it can go 75 kilometers on a 50 minutes charge, which is yet to be confirmed in real life feedbacks. The Ola electric scooters are likely to be powered by electric motors of 3 kW and 6 kW. It gives a peak torque of around 50 Nm. The top speed of the electric two-wheeler can go up to 90 km per hour. This scooter will be charged from 0 to 50% in just 18 minutes. It will take around 2 hours 30 minutes for it to be fully recharged. However, if plugged into a regular home charging point, the electric two-wheeler can take up to 5.5 hours to charge from 0 to full. Ola may introduce electric scooter with home charger for its customers. It will require no installation and will allow customers to charge their vehicle at home by plugging it into a regular wall socket. Ola Electric will offer its customers smartphone connectivity in their scooters to monitor the charging status using the Ola Electric app. The Ola Electric scooter is also expected to be future-loaded. It may get largest in-class boot space, app-based keyless access, dual projector headlamps, a hook for carrying luggage, split-type rear grab handle, single-piece seat, external charging port, LED DRLs, and a tail light. Includes black floor mats and a fully digital instrument cluster. The Ola electric scooter will be offered in 10 color options. Some of these color options, such as black, white, blue, and red, including pink, are already confirmed. Ola Electric will set up a hypercharger network across the country, which will cover 1 lakh charging points in 400 cities. In the first year, Ola is setting up over 5,000 charging points across 100 cities in India. This will help Ola electric scooter owners to access the charging infrastructure more easily, and this would be the world's largest electric vehicle charging network. And finally, the price of the Ola e-scooter will directly compete with rivals like Ather 450X and the TVS iQube. Amazing, right? Hit a like if you find this little enlightening, and bang that subscribe button to join this enlightening family. See you with a new episode of Knowledge on Facts Gear.